wish you warm welcome to our digital meeting. And today I am very happy to share that from Jaipur, Mr. Amit Kumar Wadhwani is with us. He is an MBA and worked into Middle East into senior position as a finance head for 12 years. And last month he has enrolled with our digital practical CAP video learning coaching for the twin objective is to become a better, wise.
Thank you, sir, having me on your YouTube channel. My name is Amit Kumar Wadhwani. I have completed my graduation from Jaipur, Rajasthan itself, in commerce field. I did my MBA also from Jaipur itself, and I have 15 years of experience. I initially started with the Bajaj Auto Finance Limited, then moved to HDFC Bank Limited, and then I got opportunity to work with the RIBL, and then I got opportunity, and then I worked with DynCorp International for 12 years. I was handling over there all the finance sections, like for accounts payable, receivable, cash management, and budgeting there, forecasting, accruals, and all those kind of stuffs over there. And this is my brief introduction. Currently, I am doing CFP.
Why you thought of doing a CAP certification?
Sir, actually, I'm very much interested in personal finances from my young age itself. This interest keeps me motivated for saving and investing regularly from last 15 years.
Okay.
This is the motivation factor helps me to achieve my financial freedom in the age of 35.
Okay.
As this is my keen interest of personal finance, I want to be a domain expertise in this field. Actually, sir, it's from my background itself. My family always motivated me to do your savings first and do investing regularly. So you will be not facing any problem in the future for your older age and all those things. So I got this motivation from my family, I can say, sir.
Okay, so good, very good. So it is always when parents teach the financial discipline to their kids, the kid can.
As per my point of view, like coaching is always beneficial for organized systematic learning and quick learning. Okay. And it will save your time, effort, and money. And another your question is like why I choose the KEYUR SHAH, sir. Like we know it, like this is the you are the best coach in India for the CFP certification. I have seen all your videos, most of your videos where you have explained it and your participant journey you shared. Fundas for the personal finances. So I felt that I am wiser and more logical investor compared to before. And I want to give one example, like I want to go for one property, buying a property, another one, commercial property. But when I learned it, there is a rental yield concept, and then I calculated. Then I got it's a very low rental yield. So I dropped that idea and then I didn't buy that property and I invested in some other fund. I have seen all your videos, most of your videos where you have explained it and your participant journey you shared with YouTube channel. So I'm inspired from that one, and then I decided to join you as of my coach, because always high quality education and high quality coach will be there. So you will be transformed. Not only you will get a certification and then later on you will struggle in your career. And another one, like they can get a 5% interest also on the bonds. So in that way he's getting a 25% benefit for that capital gain. Otherwise, he will pay the 20% income tax, and then again he will buy another property on his older age, and then he has to maintain for that property. And then he was very happy for that advice which I have given to him.
Good, excellent. So that's.
Sir, as of now, like when I learned it, all the calculations and all those things, I am very confident to present those skills in front of the client. But when I went in there, when I talked with them digitally and all those, so they have lots of objections which I have received. But the thing is, like as we have learned it, like in the CFP, we are always a client centric. We are not the product centric. education only. So currently he wants me to construct the corpus, how much he required in the next 12 years. With the information he provided, like inflation, he wants like 7% increment, and then the 10 or 12 years, and then the expected return, he wants to see all the instruments for the investment, 12%, 10%, 8%, and the 6%. So based on the client's need and based on the client's requirement, I construct the plan and provide in the 6%, 8%, he's going to invest in like 18,000, and 10% is 15,000, and in 12%, if he's going to invest 13,000 SIP only, he need to invest it for his daughter's higher education.
Good, very good,
this
excellent.
Is the plan I constructed, and I submit to him.
Good, very good. And I am happy to share that Amit Kumar has got an excellent feedback from his client